Okay, winning the match. It is the topic today. So it is the portfolio of the sixth house. Okay, now you write down what are the linkages you required for winning a match. See,
Yes, sir.
the match is played between two teams or the two persons.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it can be played between the two teams or in the two between the two persons. So you can't answer by who will win the match today
Okay.
like this because you need some ascendant, the representing the person who is representing which team. Suppose today is a match between India and Pakistan, and
Okay.
if I ask who will win today, it is very difficult to answer it. But
Okay.
if I ask, will India win today? Will India win today? It means I am representing India, and
Okay, sir.
India will be treated as the ascendant, and the
Okay.
seventh house will be treated as the Pakistan.
Opponent. Okay.
Okay, while taking the question for the match, whether it is between the two teams or the two persons, the person asking question must specify which team he is representing.
Okay, sir.
Suppose today is a match between Mumbai and Delhi. IPL match between Bombay and the Delhi. See, if I ask, will Delhi win today? It means I am representing Delhi, and it should be treated
Delhi.
as
Okay.
ascendant. And Mumbai
Sir.
will be seen from the seventh house. This is the logic behind. Okay,
Okay.
you kindly note down the linkages for winning. A arrow BCD. A arrow BCD. Under the A, you write down 1, 6, and 11 sub-sublots. 1, 6, and 11 sub-sublots. You will have
Okay.
to see three sub-sublots, 1, 6, 11. 6 will be the primary
Yeah.
cusp. Okay, now the
Okay.
linkages will be involving 6. Write down involving 6 committing to 11.
Okay.
Final confirmation 1 or 6 or 11, or the favorable cusp from the involved house.
Okay.
Next, involving 6 committing to 6.
Okay.
Involving 6 committing to 1.
Okay.
Involving 11 committing to 6. Involving 11 committing to 1 and 6. Like this, these are the combination for winning the match.
Okay.
And if involving 6 committing to 5 and 12, involving
Okay.
6, 5 or 12, he will lose.
Okay.
Okay, this is the combination for losing the match.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll take an example. We'll check this randomly appearing. I'm sharing a chart which is of this moment when I opened the my software. So it was 155749. Okay, this is today's. Suppose somebody ask, will team A win today? Will team A win today? Means I am representing team A.
Team A.
Team will be seen from the seventh house. Okay, you open the left and right page.
Okay, sir.
Open the left and right page. On the left hand side, you write down team A.
Okay.
On the right hand side, you write down team B.
Yes, sir.
And write down the question, will team A win? Will team A win?
Okay.
So on the left hand side, you check what is the ascendant sub-sublord.
Ascendant sub-sublord is Mercury, sir.
Write down ascendant SSL is Mercury. Mark an arrow and check Mercury is in the star of.
Mercury is in the star of Rahu.
Correct.
Saturn sub, Rahu sub.
Okay, Mercury arrow Rahu oblique Venus
Rahu
oblique
Venus moon, sir.
dash Saturn dash Rahu oblique Venus oblique moon. Now my concentration should only be on the relevant sublots, or sorry, relevant houses 6 and 11.
6 and 11. Okay.
Okay. Now Makri ascendant subsolot is in the star of Rahu. I will check Rahu. Does Rahu appear in 6?
Rahu is not appearing in 6, sir.
And Rahu is not there in 11 also.
11 also.
No problem. Rahu represents Venus now.
Yes.
Does Rahu appear in, does Venus appear in 6? Yes.
6, yes, yes.
And Venus is there in 11 also.
11 also.
Now, Rahu represents Moon also. Moon is not in 6. Moon is not in 11. So,
Yes.
there is a strong involvement of 6 and 11. Both are the relevant cusps.
Yes.
Now, the commitment is being done by the Saturn.
Saturn.
Check Saturn in 1, 6 and 11.
Saturn is not there in 1.
Okay.
Saturn is there in 6, sir.
And it is not in 11.
11.
And check Saturn in the detrimental house, because 6th house has been involved. For 6th house, detrimental is 5.
5.
Saturn is not in 5.
5.
But Saturn is there in 12. Write down 12. What 12 will do? It will give the opposition.
Yes.
Okay. Now final confirmation again is Rahu.
Rahu.
Rahu you have already noted down. Rahu is a Venus is appearing in 6 and 11.
Yes.
Now check Venus in the detrimental. Venus is appearing in 1, 6 and 11.
Yeah. Yes. Sir, Venus is appearing in 5.
5 also. Okay. Apart from 1, 6, 11, Venus is there in 5.
5.
So what do you say? What is the promise of the ascendant?
6 and 11. 1, 6 and 11.
It goes in the favor of this native or this theme.
Yes.
Okay. Definitely 5 is there, but 5 is weaker than the 6.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will read the promise of the 6th cusp. Write down, sir. 6th cusp sublord is Venus.
Yes, sir.
Mark an arrow.
Yes.
Venus is in Saturn star.
Saturn. Yeah.
Okay, 2 Saturn appears, you club it, make it 1.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Saturn you have already seen, it is appearing in 6th, the relevant cusp. Saturn is the resident of 6th also.
Yes.
Venus is in the sub of Venus 1, 6, 11, but 5 is there.
Yes.
Okay. Now, similarly, you will read the promise of 11th house sublord.
Sir, 11th house SSL is Venus.
We have already
again
checked.
Same. Yes.
Okay. Now, on the left hand side, we have noted down the promise of the team A.
Yes.
Now, see, I'm going to rotate it, the chart from the 7th.
Yes.
Okay, means on the right hand side, you write down the promise for, now it is a chart for the team B.
Yes.
I have rotated it from 7th house. Now, I will read 1, 6 and 11 of team B on the right hand side.
Yes.
Okay. What is the ascendant sublord?
Ascendant sublord is Venus.
Write down. Venus, mark an arrow. Saturn,
So
Saturn,
Venus, Saturn, Venus.
Okay. Saturn is there in 6.
Saturn is there in 6.
Okay. And Venus is...
And Saturn,
Venus
so
is...
Saturn appears in 1 also.
At the involvement level, if 6 is not
We'll
appearing...
see 6 and 11. 6 and 11.
Okay. So Venus is there in 1 and 11. But Venus is there in 5 also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see, the ascendant sublord has involved the 6. It committed to 1 and 11. But Venus is there in 5 also very strongly.
5. Very strongly.
Okay. And 12 also.
Yes.
Write down 12 also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Similarly, Sir, you read the promise of sixth sublord, which is Mercury.
Sir, Mercury is in
Rahu
Rahu
star.
star. Yes.
If Mercury is in Rahu star, it is in the star of Venus and Moon. Rahu oblique Venus
Yes.
oblique Moon.
Yes, sir.
Check Rahu in 6 and 11. No, it is not appearing.
Yes.
But Rahu as the Moon is appearing in 6.
Yes.
And Rahu as the Venus is appearing in 11.
11.
So there is the involvement of 6 and 11.
Yes.
Now Mercury is in the sub of Saturn. Saturn is there in 6, 1.
Yes.
But Saturn is strongly appearing in 12 also.
Yes.
Final confirmation?
Final confirmation is with Rahu, sir.
Rahu is not in 5, not in 12, but Rahu as a Venus is there in 5 and 12.
Yes.
Venus is not in 6, but it is appearing in 1 and 11.
Yes.
So what do you say? What is the promise of the 6th house? We'll compare it. Okay, later on. Now
Yes.
read the promise of 11th sublord, which is Ketu.
Yes.
Ketu, mark an arrow. Ketu is in Mercury star
Mercury star, Venus sub,
and Venus sub.
Venus sub sub.
Okay, check Mercury in 6 and 11.
Sir, Mercury is appearing in 6,
Mercury is not in 11.
not 11.
Okay. Ketu is in the sub of Venus. Venus we have already seen 1, 11,
Yes.
but 5 and 12.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Ketu is finally in the sub. Okay. Now read Ketu as a Mars,
Yes, sir.
as 11th house sublord.
Sir, Mars is Mars in Moon star, Jupiter sub, Rahu sub sub.
Correct. Mars is in Moon star. Moon is there appearing in 6.
Yes, sir.
It is in the sub of Jupiter. Jupiter
Yes, sir.
is not in 1, 6 and 11. Yes, it is there in 11.
Yeah, it is there in 11. Yes.
But with, Jupiter is not in 5 and 12.
Yes.
Okay, final confirmation is Rahu again.
Rahu.
You just copy it from the above.
Yes, sir.
Now another cast, another planet. Ketu represents Mercury. And
Yes.
Mercury you have read as the 6th house.
Already read,
sublord.
sir. Yes. Yes.
Now, Mr. Rahul, see,
Yes, sir.
the potential of team A and team B are in front of you.
Yes, sir.
You just compare the ascendant of team A with the ascendant of team B. 6th of team A
Yes.
and 6th of team B. Similarly,
Okay.
the potential of 11th of team A with the potential of 11th of the team B.
Sir,
Which
ascendant of team A is stronger than ascendant
Yes.
of team B.
Correct.
Yes.
And
Because in team B, 6 is negated at the final confirmation level.
what is the potential of the 6th house of team A and B? You compare the 6th of both the teams.
Sir, ascendant of
No, 6th house.
sixth SSL of team A.
It is stronger.
It is stronger, sir. It is stronger than team B.
Correct. And similarly, the 11th.
11th.
See, 11th sublord is Venus.
Venus, sir.
So, whose chances are do you see who should win today's match?
Sir, team A.
Team A. According to the potential, team A is a little stronger than the team B.
Yes.
But before giving the prediction, we have to check the time of the match also. We have to check the dasha potential at the time of the match. Suppose, see, for that, we'll go to the view.
Okay.
We'll open the transit chart.
Yes.
Suppose the match will be played today, 20th of March 2021. Suppose the match starts at 20 hours, 8 o'clock in the night, and it will end 2021 around 12 o'clock.
Okay.
I have typed here both the time and the dates. See,
Okay.
this is the match starting time. Match will start at 8 o'clock today on 20th of March.
Okay.
And it will end in the same. See, IPL matches are hardly, it is played between 3.5 hours to the 4 hours.
Okay.
Okay, mostly the match is played during this time. So
Okay.
at the starting of the match, I will check and calculate which dasha is running. See, moon is in the star of Mars.
Yes.
Means Mars dasha will be running, because
Okay.
dasha is decided according to the moon.
Yes.
Okay, but this Mars dasha will not run for 7 years. We will check it for the 24-hour dasha period.
Okay.
Because match is going to start today and it is going to end today only. So we'll read it as the 24-hour dasha.
Okay.
Okay, you kindly note down. At the starting of the match on 20th of March 2021 at 8 o'clock, Mars, Rahu, Saturn. Mars dasha, Rahu bhukti, Saturn antra.
Okay.
And now we'll check at the end of the match after 4 hours.
Okay.
See, kindly note down at the end of the match. Mars, Jupiter, Ketu. Correct?
Yes, sir.
First of all, we will check the Mars dasha. Which team the Mars is favoring? On the left hand side, you write down team A side, because I have rotated the chart from the one.
Okay.
Read the Mars.
Sir, Mars is in moon star, Jupiter sub, Rahu sub.
Write down Mars, Moon, Jupiter, Rahu. Check does Moon appear in 6 or 11 or 1?
Moon is not appearing in 6.
Not in 11,
And
not
moon
in
is
1.
not appearing 11.
So Mars is not involving any of the relevant house, 1, 6 or 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we can do now? Check the commitment. Mars is in the sub of Jupiter.
Sir, Jupiter is not appearing in 6.
Sir, it is appearing in 6. It is appearing in 6. It is the resident of the 6th house.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. It is appearing 6, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm rotating the charts. Leave it. No problem. Let us check the Mars in the other horoscope. Write down on the B side. Mars dasha. Moon, Jupiter, Rahu.
Yes, sir.
Mars is in Moon, Jupiter, Rahu. Moon is there in 6.
6.
And Jupiter is there in 11.
Yes, sir.
Jupiter is not in 5.
Yes.
Okay. Now Mars is finally in the sub of Rahu. Rahu, you have already read. Rahu as a Venus is appearing in 5.
Yes.
But Rahu as a Venus is also appearing in 1 and 11.
Yes.
And one more thing you can do. Mars is in the sub of Rahu and Rahu is there in 4. Why we are taking 4? Because it is a core there when there is the involvement of 6th house. And committing to 4, it becomes the 11th. It will favor the signification of the 6th house.
Yes.
And Rahu is also appearing in 8. You write down 4 and 8. So it will be, sorry. We have to check in the, yes, it is good. Yes, involvement is of the 6th house. So Rahu is appearing in 4 and 8. It will enhance the signification of the 6th house.
6th house.
Means Dasha is not favoring the team A, but Dasha is favoring the team B. Of
Team B.
course, the potential of the team A is stronger, but team B is weaker than the. Now you check the Bhukti and Antara at the final confirmation. What was the Bhukti and Antara at the ending of the match?
Yes.
Ending of the match. See, Bhukti was Jupiter and Antara was Ketu.
Ketu.
Now read Ketu, sir, sorry, Jupiter first.
Sir, Jupiter is in Mars star, Jupiter sub, Mercury sub.
Okay. Jupiter is in Mars star. Mars is not in 6,
Yes.
not in 11. But
Yes.
Jupiter is having positional status. It is appearing in 11. Write down, involving 11.
Yes.
And Jupiter is in the sub of Jupiter. Again,
Yes.
11.
Yes, yes, yes.
And final confirmation is Mercury.
Mercury.
See, Mercury is there in 6 very strongly. Write down.
Yes.
And 5 very weak. So,
Yes.
okay. Now the same thing will check in the team A.
Yes.
Check Jupiter potential.
Jupiter is in Mars star, Jupiter sub.
Jupiter is in Mars star. Mars is not in 6, but Mars is
6.
there in 11.
Yes.
Okay. And
Yes.
Jupiter is in the sub of Jupiter.
Yes.
Jupiter is there in 5.
5.
And Jupiter is there in 6 also.
6 also.
Okay. And final confirmation, Mercury.
Final confirmation, Mercury.
Mercury is very weak in 11, not in 5.
Yes.
And Mercury is there in 11. Mercury is not in 6.
Yes.
So, of course, the potential of team A is stronger than the team B. But the Dasha and Bhukti Antara favoring to the team B.
Team B.
And many times you must have noted down, a stronger team sometimes loses the match.
Yes.
So this is the same condition. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Apart from reading the potential, you have to check the potential of the Dasha potential also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Only then you say something, otherwise not. Okay.
Okay.
This is
Okay, sir.
This is the way you always check it. Okay, open
Okay.
the right pages, note down the potential of both the teams. Only then you will be able to do it.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, now I'm taking another case. Now we'll take the case of winning election. Write down.
Okay.
Winning election. See, for winning election, the houses are same, 1, 6, and 11.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what will be the
Yes.
messages? Write down A, arrow, B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Under the A, you write down, this is 1, 6, and 11 subplots.
Okay, sir.
The linkages are same, involving 6, committing to 11.
Okay.
Final confirmation for winning 1, 6, 11 or the favorable cusp.
Okay, sir.
Next linkage involving 6, committing to 6. Final confirmation same.
Okay.
Next linkage involving 6, committing to 1.
Okay.
And wait, let me open the where it is there. Yes. Okay, then involving 11, committing to 6. Involving 11, committing to 6. Involving 11, committing to 1. So this sort of the linkage should establish. And if there is the involvement of 6, write down 6. Commitment is with the 5 or 12. He will lose.
Okay.
See, Mr. Rahul, this was a question asked by a female. of Hoshangabad. Actually, I was taking a class online on the Skype with my student was at the other end at the Hoshangabad, just like we are studying.
Okay, sir.
So those days, elections of Nagar Palika Parishad elections were to be held in the month of December, on the 2nd of
Okay.
December. So the candidate from his area, okay, so they were doing door-to-door canvassing, and she visited him also, and he was on with me online. So she asked me, Pankaj, what are you doing? He's a professional astrologer. So he said, I'm
Okay.
taking a class from my Guruji from Delhi. So he came in front of the camera and we wished each other. And her question, she immediately put the question, sir, will I win the election? So I asked Pankaj to take the number. So Pankaj immediately took the number. She gave the number 5. This is a live example.
Okay,
So,
sir.
okay, and Pankaj told the madam, yes, madam, I will convey you in the evening. Let me finish my class first. So he immediately assess this horary, make the chart, horary chart there only. See the basic data. The number given by the female is 5.
Right.
And the question is regarding the winning. Will I win Nagar Palika Parishad election? The election was to be held on 2nd of December. Note down, 2nd December 2014. You can check in the Google also. 2nd December 2014, and the date of result is 8th of December 2014. This question was asked on 12th of November.
Okay.
See, the question is very specific. Will I win the election? So first of all, constructed the chart. See, the chart was constructed according to the latitude, longitude of the Hoshangabad.
Okay.
Because she asked to the Pankaj, and Pankaj had taken the number from her.
Okay.
Okay, ji. So this chart is constructed. No need to change the chart. The third point is we'll check the genuineness.
Okay.
Sir, for genuineness, moon or its star should appear in which cuspal positions of the house?
Sir, 1, 6 or 11.
Okay. See, moon is not in there in 1. Moon is not in 6, but moon is there in 11.
11.
Okay, moon is resident of 4th, which is the irrelevant house for this question.
Okay.
What is the moon star?
Moon star is Jupiter, and Jupiter is appearing in 6.
6. Very good. So moon and its star lord is appearing in both the relevant cusps, 6 and 11. Hence, this question will be treated as the genuine. Okay, first of all, we will read the promise of ascendant sub-sublord. What is this? What is that?
Ascendant sub-sublord is Mars, sir.
Okay, kindly make the linkages. Mars.
Sir, Mars is in Venus.
Correct.
Star, and Rahu
sub,
Jupiter sub, and Rahu oblique Mercury,
and Mars. Correct. See, Mars is not having PS, so is the result of Mars will be given by the Venus. Check Venus in the relevant cusp.
Venus is in 6.
Okay. So
and Venus is not in 11.
Okay. There is the involvement of the 6th house, which is a relevant one.
Yes.
Okay. Mars is in the sub of?
In the sub of Rahu.
Okay. Now so check Rahu in the 1, 6, 11.
Rahu is there in 6. Rahu is there in 6.
Write down.
Check and Rahu is not there in 11.
Okay. Check Rahu in detrimental house 5 and 12.
Rahu is not there in 5. Rahu is not there in 12.
Okay. Rahu represents Mercury now.
Mercury, yes.
Check Mercury.
Yes, Mercury is not in 6.
Okay.
Mercury is there in 11.
Okay. Now check in the Mercury
and
in the detrimental
positions. Mercury is there in 5.
Okay. Note down.
And Mercury is not in 12.
Okay. Now Rahu as a Mars.
Mars is not in 6.
Okay.
Mars not in 11,
Okay.
and Mars not appearing in 5,
Okay.
and Mars not appearing in 12.
Okay. So Mars is in the sub of Rahu. Okay. Mars is finally in the sub of.
Sub of Jupiter, sir.
Okay. Now check Jupiter.
Sir, Jupiter is appearing in. Sir, Mars is appearing in 1. Shall we write that?
Definitely you can write.
Okay.
Okay. Mars is not in 12 or 5. Okay. Now,
Yes.
sir, Mars is finally in the sub of Jupiter. You check Jupiter in 1, 6, 11.
Jupiter is in 6, sir.
Okay. Not in 11.
And Jupiter is not there in 11.
Check in the detrimental 5 or 12.
Jupiter is not in 5, but in 12 it is there.
Okay, write down that. 12 will give her the position.
Yes.
Okay. Now read the promise of the 6th house sub-sublord. It is Rahu. You will have to read 3 planets.
Yes, sir. So Rahu is in Mars star.
Right. Rahu, mark an arrow, Mars, dash Rahu, dash Saturn. And Mars you have found nowhere in 6 and 11. In such case, you can take the ascendant, involving ascendant. Mars is appearing in 1.
Okay.
Okay, if 6 and 11 is not appearing, you can take the first because the ascendant is involved. If it commits to a 6 or 11, so he will win.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Okay.
Now Rahu is in the sub of Rahu.
Yes. And Rahu is appearing in 6.
Correct. Not
and
in
Rahu
5.
is not appearing in 5, not appearing in 12.
12. Okay.
And Mercury is appearing in 11.
Okay, write down.
But Mercury is appearing in 5 also.
No, you will not write because there is no involvement of 6th house.
No involvement of 6. Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
So involving 1 and committing to 5, it will enhance the Lagna.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And Mars.
Mars is there in 1.
1.
Okay. So Rahu is appearing in no detrimental house, involving 1 committing to 6. Very good linkage. And 11.
Yes. Yes.
Final confirmation is given by Saturn.
Saturn is not in 6.
Okay.
But Saturn is there in 11 as strong.
Very strong. And 12 also. Because you will take 12th. There is the involvement of 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, you read Rahu as a Mercury, as 6th house sub-sublord.
Sir, Mercury is in Rahu star, Saturn sub, Venus sub.
Correct. Mercury is in Rahu star. So Rahu is there in 6 very strongly. It is the sub-sublord as well as the resident.
Yes.
Okay.
And Saturn is appearing in
11 and 12.
12.
Okay.
And Venus is appearing in 6.
6. But Venus is also there in 5.
5.
Okay. Write down.
Venus is not appearing in 11.
Okay. Not in 12.
Yes.
Now you have to read Rahu as a Mars. Rahu as a Mars you have already studied as the ascendant sub-sublord.
Ascendant, yes, sir.
Okay. Only one house left, that is the 11th.
11th SSL is Saturn.
Okay.
So Saturn is in Jupiter star.
Okay.
And Mars sub.
See, Saturn is having positional status also.
Yes.
Okay, you will take the 11th sub-sublord also because Saturn is appearing in 11th cusp. So
yes,
Saturn and Jupiter will be clubbed down.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because Saturn is having PS, so it will offer the result of the involvement planet.
Okay.
So Jupiter is there in 6. So there is a very strong involvement of 6 and 11.
Yes.
Okay. Saturn is in the sub of Mars. Mars is only appearing in 1.
Yes.
Mars is not in 5 or 12.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is
Next
Venus.
one is Venus.
Venus is there in 6, but Venus is there in 5 also.
5 also.
So, Mr. Rahul, all the 3
Yes.
subs of lords you have studied.
Yes.
Now, can you tell me, sir, what is the promise of this female? Will she win or not?
6 involves 6. Six, 11, involving 6 and 11. 6 and 11. Sir, there are she can win, sir.
There are very much chances, but the
Yes.
the election will be tough.
Yes.
The
Because
winning
opposition is Trojan.
yes, the winning margin will be less.
Yes.
Okay, before giving this
Okay.
prediction, you have to check the Dasha Bhukti also.
Okay.
The election is going to be held on 2nd of December 2014. ठीक है, and election date is election date is 2nd, the result date is 8th. You always give preference to the date of election or date of the match or date of the exam,
Okay.
because whatever the people have cast the vote, it will not be going to change if there is a very big fraud in it.
Yes.
Okay, whatever the student writes on the day of the examination, that will be sealed for it. It will not be changed.
Yes.
So you always prefer to note down the Dasha Bhukti, etc. on the day of election or the day of the examination.
Okay.
Okay, so the election was on 2nd of December 2014. I'll do the show Dasha. See,
Okay.
starts from the Prana Lord. On 2nd of December, Prana was of the Mercury.
Yes.
Read Mercury, sir. You have already studied Mercury as the 6th house sub-lord.
Sir, Mercury, Rahu, star, Saturn, sub, Venus, sub.
You have already studied. And
yes.
What was the Sukshma Lord? You see here. Sun.
Sun.
Read Sun.
Sir, Sun is in Jupiter star, Ketu, sub, Venus,
sub. Jupiter is there in 6.
Yes.
Okay, and Ketu is not in 6 or 11, but Ketu is also not in 5 and 12.
Yes.
And Ketu is there in 12. It is posted. But Ketu represents Jupiter also. It's again giving the 6th house.
Yes.
Okay. And Sun is finally Venus, sub. Venus is there in 6 but 5. So it makes the election very tough.
Yes.
Sir, what is the Antara Lord? Antara is of the Saturn. Saturn is my 11th house sub-lord. I have already studied.
Okay.
What is the Bhukti Lord? It is Rahu. And Rahu is my 6th house sub-lord.
That is also studied, sir.
So that the chances are very much high. She will win, but the margin of the votes will be less.
Less.
So this was the prediction given to her.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing you have to check. You have to check the transit of that day also.
Okay.
Go to the transit chart, fill up the date here, 2nd of December 2014. The time will put here 8 o'clock when the, sorry.
Oh, it is.
2nd December 2014 and the time is 08 when the election will start. And 2/12/2014 will write down 17 hours when the election will over.
Yes.
We will check the transit of moon. See, at the starting of the election, moon was in Mercury star.
Mercury star.
And at the end, it also remained in the Mercury also.
Okay.
Okay, whole day it has not changed. And Mercury we have already studied as our Prana Lord, as our 6th house sub-lord.
Yes, yes.
So ultimately, we got the news she won the election, and as predicted, the margin was less.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this was the live horary. We applied it. So
Great,
this is the
sir.
way you can take. Now, see, one thing I tell you, the IPL matches are going to start in next, I think, next month in April.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there will be a lot of matches. You can
Okay.
assess yourself. You can take horary by yourself if you have the
Okay.
if you have the urge. Otherwise, not.
Okay.
And you at least try 8 to 10 matches.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and keep the prediction with you only, not to share with anybody.
Okay, sir.
Suppose it went correct, it goes correct, that is good. If it goes wrong, now you assess why it has gone wrong, where you
Okay.
committed the mistake. This is the way you will improve your skill.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, now you have got the chance. You can take the randomly horary or any number which appeared in your mind, or you make the coupon from 1 to 2193.
Okay.
Okay, now you take the big chart paper and mark 1 inch by 1 inches block and write down the number from 1 to 2193. Later on, you cut it
Okay.
and put in a thela
Okay.
or the box.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. I understood. Okay.
Okay, so that is the best way, sir. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. We'll do something else.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
welcome.
Thank you.